So iOS 26.2 has just officially came out, and you're probably wondering how you can go through and use iOS 26.2. Now, if you're a complete beginner to iOS, this is exactly what the process looks like. The first thing to understand is that this update, is only supported on a couple of different versions of phones. So if you want to, you're going to want to first see if you can even get the update. So hop inside of your settings application, like this, hop inside of settings. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and swipe down until you find this general option, which is right over here. So tap on general, and then what you're going to want to do is you want to tap on software update. Tap on software update, and then you're going to be able to come into this next panel. It's probably going to tell you about an iOS 26.2 update, and all you're going to have to do there is click on the little update now button. So inside of that panel, go ahead and tap on update now, and that will go ahead and allow you to go ahead and update to this particular update. Now after updating, you're going to be able to see a couple of different features. Number one, Apple Music now allows you to have offline lyrics and allows you to connect a little bit better, and their favorites tab is a little bit more better. You will be able to see liquid glass on the lock screen is able to be customized a little bit more. So when you tap onto your customized panel down here, you'll be able to go through and basically customize the amount of liquid glass that you're basically having inside of your display, like this. So that is another really, really cool thing you can now do. And there are lots of other features and benefits that have been added. But that is essentially how you do it. It's pretty basic, but that's basically how you use iOS 26.2. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.